Hey everybody. Wow, when you're committed to be smoking for a group of people, and yeah, you can see raindrops dropping everywhere. So this is what I had to do. Make a makeshift over my Louisiana Grill. Anyways, I am going to fire it up and here we go. So it's going to be, it automatically goes up to 360, and then I'm going to turn it down to about 2 something, and I'm going to show you a video of putting on my pork loins. Yeah. It is wet. The ducks are loving it. Anyways, subscribe, like, share. Anyways, love you guys. See you soon.